Today, there are a lot of details about the new compact flagship. The phone will be able to please the 6-core Apple A13 Bionic processor, as well as 3GB of RAM and 64/128GB of permanent memory to choose from. In terms of appearance, the iPhone SE2 will turn out to be an exact copy of the iPhone 8, but with the only difference being that the camera will become slightly larger in size. In addition, the brand intends to apply the new antenna design using such a liquid crystal polymer. Due to this feature, the novelty will be able to confidently catch a signal even where other smartphones periodically lose it. There will definitely not be a 3.5mm headphone jack in this model. Thus, the brand new iPhone SE2 and iPhone 12, even despite the lack of a dual camera and all that, will be the best on the smartphone market among all the productive compact models currently available for sale. Due to the small size of the phone, it will be extremely comfortable to use one hand. To charge, you will need to use the Lightning interface, that is, you definitely should not count on USB Type-C. The basic model of this phone with 64GB of memory will cost $399, while for the configuration with a 128GB drive you will have to pay $100. Insiders claim that Apple will introduce such a phone in the next few months, and it will turn out to be, obviously, just amazing.